Convert photo into video in no time. Yes, you are listening right. I'm Gogi from How to Do It, and today we're gonna talk about that how to convert any photo into video. If you have an old photo, your grandparents or your friends or anyone you lost, and you want to make a movement and a moving image or video of your family members, then how you can do it is totally free, and you can do it on your mobile, laptop, computer, wherever you want to do. First of all, requesting you like and subscribe for get more videos. Now go to the internet browser and go over there on meta.ai. 1 second, you have to go to the meta.ai and you have to log in over there, and after that you have to just go to this plus icon and go to the media files and choose the photo which you want to make movement. I am selecting this one and adding animate it. As you can check out, we have to add animate it, and after that we have to send it from over here. It will take a little time. I'm going to sending it over here, and it started working on this. It's generating over here, and it will make movement like almost real, and you cannot tell that this was video before from that, or you have just made from a photo. Now it's working, and it's mostly half done, and it's working. I'm gonna show you how image is available, and this is totally free, 100% free still now. And now you can download it from over here. This is the download icon, and I'm playing this video. Oh my god, look at it. It's looking 100% real. As you can check out, you cannot tell that it's not a real image or real video. Allah, it's looking great. Hope you understood that how you can do so. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more video like this.